Hi, I'm Mark with AppMyHome, and today we're going to take a look at the Anker Solix EverFrost 2 40-liter electric cooler. When I say 40 liter, that's about 42 quarts. And Anker sent us this for the review. So let's take a look at what this thing is. It's big, it does weigh a lot, but it's really cool. They have all sorts of features on it. So for example, they give you the instruction manual, which is really kind of handy, obviously. So it's a quick start guide, but they also have a full guide in there as well. And they have rulers on the top of this. If you have to measure something, whatever else, it's a nice work surface. If you'd like a little more work surface, this thing folds up. And you have this little kickstand, and it's nice and secure. The other thing they do is they do provide a handle here, which is really handy for moving around with these nice big wheels in the back. And speaking of wheels, they give you these wheel chocks. So if you have your cooler, like on a slope or something like that, it'll help prevent the cooler from sliding down the hill. There's a control panel over here. And on this side, they have like a little bar here where if you get their kit with their utensils, you can actually hang them off of here. You also have a bottle opener. And then on this side over here is where you plug it in. So there's a little plug here, and you just basically take the power adapter they give you in the box, and you plug this in, and it's got a big power brick, and plug it into the wall. But what's really cool is, here's where the battery is, and they give you a spot for a second battery, but they also give you one of these here where you can plug it into your car. So if you're traveling, you can use this as well. And that's a handy little case for that. You can charge this with a USB-C cable, and you can charge it with a 100-watt solar panel. The solar panel is not included. Opens up really easy. So it's nice and big in here. They even have a drain in the bottom. So if you need to drain it, if you get any liquid or whatever in there, you can. It even includes a light inside so you can see what you have if it's the evening. Just for fun, got my 6-pack, fits in there no problem. And what's really cool is there's no ice to be had. So this entire compartment is for cooling things. Okay, so let's turn it on. Just push the button here. And it takes a little bit, brings it up. And it will tell me everything about it. It tells you what mode you're in. There's several different modes. And it says that the battery is currently charged in %. So that's nice on the front panel. So that means if you're not home, you're good. But it also does come with that app. And you hear that sound? That's the fan coming on. In here, there's this fan. And the fan helps cool the thing quickly. It doesn't run all the time, but when it needs to bring the temperature down, it runs.